Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel inkitdesigns. Let's create this cool animation using local variables. Before we proceed with this video, I would recommend you to go and watch part 1 of this video where we have learned how to create this auto layout card. Now let's work on adding local variables. Create variable and colors. Now let's name it, let it be colors, and let me color this the color of the icons that I've used. Now let's create another variable and numbers, and let's name it as count, and let's keep the value 0. Let's tie these variables with the elements, the icon and the 0. Control and Command click on 0 and tie it with the local variable as shown. I want this card to tie with the color that I made. So go to the fill, style, click on this color, and voila, we are done. Now let's add the variables through prototyping. Now click this, click set variable and click on the color and adjust the color you want it to turn into. I'll pick up this color, this one. Now let's add another variable, this time for count. Now my icon is addition, so I'll click on addition and add 1 to every click that I made on the icon. Set the same variable for the negative sign. Make sure you choose subtraction and subtract 1 for every click on the icon. Whoopsie. Now this is the problem. How can we restrict our local variables to drop below 0? That is done by adding some conditioning. Now let me show you how to add some conditions. Go to prototype, click on conditions and set the condition. Let's set our first condition as if the count is greater than 0, then we will apply this action. Now let's drag this one action and fit it inside this condition. Yep, it's working. So now I want to add another condition in which I want the card color to return back to gray color when the amount inside the card turns 0. So let's work on it. For that, first I will make a variable as shown, and then I will add conditions saying that if the count turns 0, if the count is equal to 0, then this action should take place, that is that the color turns back to gray. it's working. But let me change this pink color into a different color. I guess a green would work here. Yes, this green. And let's try it out. Now this one looks quite cool. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.